So I'm going to take you through a basic walkthrough or a demo of the instant replay application that we created for the HoloLens Hackathon. This initial screen is known as a tag-along hologram, and its main job is to stay fixed within my gaze. If I move my head left to right, up, down, it orients itself in such a way that the user knows that it's there and will track and allows us to continue to interact with it. But before we actually press the play button, which is also interactable using an air tap gesture, we're actually going to look at the Fenway Park model that we imported into Unity. So this is the model that we imported from a third party. This is a higher definition model. You'll notice that at the base of the model, we have an image that looks like a player in the lawn or in the field. And this is actually an image that we added to the model that was given to us by the Red Sox. They deployed drones and took a picture of the stadium for us and emailed it to us, and we added it. The model had to be scaled down because initially when we brought the model into the world, it was around the same size of the Fenway Park Stadium. So once deployed, we were standing in the stadium itself. So we had to scale the model down, which caused some distortion, but we were able to repair that problem. All the objects that you're about to see that are movable are known as actors or game objects. The programmers are the directors, and the scripts that we add to those game objects are actually the actions that we like the actors to play out frame by frame during the scene. So we're going to go ahead and start the instant replay with these two teams, and we're going to observe what it looks like in an augmented reality view, or sky view. That's what we actually are calling it right now.
Ortiz to right. Alvarez going back, still going, and he's not going to get it. Back into the corner as Pedroia coming around third, right behind him, and on his heels is Xander Bogaerts. Throwing the play, and they're all safe. Everybody's in. Pedroia first, then Bogaerts, and they come in together. 4-0. Red Sox have the lead.
So again, this view is known as an augmented reality view. So we're able to walk around the entire stadium and observe the entire play the entire time. So we decided to take it one step further and actually add a VR view for our application. I'm going to start that now. So what we're seeing now is that the player or the user has been brought down into the stadium, and all the same materials, all the same models, all the same signs and companies that we saw in the sky view are the same ones that we're seeing here in the stadium view. So the user's view is being completely encompassed by the model, but they can still see out of their peripherals. So there are players still on the field. We're standing at where the dugout might be, and these are all the static positions of all the players at the end of the replay. So now we're going to go ahead and play it now, see what the view looks like from a VR perspective.
Ortiz to right. Alvarez going back, still going, and he's not going to get it. Back into the corner as Pedroia coming around third, right behind him, and on his heels is Xander Bogaerts. Throwing the play, and they're all safe. Everybody's in. Pedroia first, then Bogaerts, and they come in together. 4-0. Red Sox have the lead.
Fantastic. So while you're standing in this view, the HoloLens has taken control of a second camera. And when you walk around in the world of the HoloLens world, you're actually going to be walking around in the stadium. So we just need to change the total number of steps that you are able to step in reality and convert that and make the larger number for the stadium itself. We have one more view that we'd like to show you, one more feature. And we're just going to go back to Sky View so we can actually access that feature as well. We added a card view so that we could have our users observe the play, as well as have some information about the players that were actually playing in the field. In this card view, we're able to tab through, or page through, and look at individual cards. And these cards are also high definition images that we brought into the Unity world. We're able to access the players one after the next by using an air tap gesture. We're actually able to see their stats on the back and the front. And those are all the features that we'd like to show you today. Thank you very much.